Hi guys, welcome to week 7. Can't believe we're already in week 7. Hopefully it won't be much longer, but we miss you and let's get started on this week. So, your assignments and tasks for the week are to watch entire video on slide 2, which is this video. Nice job. Watch the entire thing. Hint, hint. Read through this slideshow, which I'll be showing you throughout this video. Attend the Zoom meeting Wednesday at your scheduled time. That's a separate grade, just like every week. Simple 100. Complete the ed puzzle, finding the percent of a number. It's 40 points, 10 questions. You can click on it right through here. It's a link. Fill in the text boxes on slides 4, 5, 6, and 7. It's going to be 45 points. I'll show you guys those slides in a minute. Answer 25 questions on Prodigy. You'll get 15 points for completion. And then, so these add up to 100 here, 40, 45, and 15. So that's your assignment grade for the week. And then play Dreambox for 40 minutes with 20 minutes on an assigned focus lesson, which will be a separate grade, just like every other week. So your Zoom meeting is always a separate grade, and your Dreambox is always a separate grade. And then this is your assignment grade for the week. So this is where my video is gonna go. This is where you're gonna watch it. So I also need you guys to sign up for BuzzMath. If you follow these directions, you'll be good to go. You just click on this link. There will be an activation code to enter. You just copy and paste this right in. You select, I want to use my Google account. Make sure you use your Google account, please. Click Google account when that pops up and select your New Hanover account. And once you're signed in, you can explore a bit if you'd like. You can change your avatar, colors, and other things, and we'll begin using this soon. There are activities, look up here, there are activities on there when you sign in. You do not have to do them. All right, there were already some on there. You don't have to do them unless you're bored. Go for it. So this is the first slide you're going to be working on. Notice down here in the corner it says anywhere you see a number symbol, which is that hashtag symbol, is a text box. That is where you will fill in your answers for each slide. So if I go to the edit mode, if I double click on this, it's going to bring me to edit mode. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to double click. Oh, no, it didn't. All right. If I'm in edit mode like this, I can click in here and you notice that there's a box there. I can write a number here. Say it's 5. All right. Sorry, it jumped around on me. What did I do? Here we go. So, say it's 5. I can write 5 there. I'm going to leave it as a hashtag number symbol and not a $sign, although we do need some money. So the picture, the background of this slide is this page. So you can't change the page part, you're just working with these text boxes. All right, so anywhere you see a number symbol is a text box, that's where you fill in the answers for your slide. So read over this, fill in your answers. You're going to do the same thing for this slide. There's 3. This slide, there's 4. Take note here that this answer is an operation, not a number. So you're going to use adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing right here. All the other ones are numbers. And here. All right. So there's 4 here, 3 there, 4 here, 2 there. Nothing crazy. All right. And then just like last week, how are you feeling this week? Drop a meme or multiple memes, write to us, post pictures on the slide, whatever you want. We miss you guys a lot and we wish that we could be with you. My suggestion would be to work on the ed puzzle before you work on the slides because the video that's on there is really good with explaining how to do this. It's a continuation of what we did last week. All right, and if you guys have any questions at all, please let us know. If you've made it to this far in the video, send us a private comment on Google Classroom under your assignment that is your sibling's name. If you don't have a sibling, just say I don't have a sibling. But at least we know that you made it to this point, and maybe we'll give out some extra points. We shall see. All right, so short and simple, short and sweet for this week. Hopefully you guys are good to go. Get all your work done, make up any work that you have not finished. Let us know if you need any help at all. And we are looking forward to seeing you at the Zoom call on Wednesday. Also, we're going to have a Zoom call on Monday at 1:30. I'm sorry I had to cancel on Friday. Had some stuff go on, but Monday at 1:30 we're going to have a Zoom call with just our class so that you guys can see each other. So I'll add that to this slide as well just so that you guys remember about that. All right, so let us know if you need anything. Talk to you soon. Love you all. Bye.